What's going on, everybody? It's Josh If, and I'm back here at Lebanon Ford Performance. I'm very excited to be back. If you've been watching our Bronco R-Series segments of installing it, I've actually just finished up the first round of additions to my LFP Bronco Roush, however you want to say that. It's really exciting. We're getting ready to show Jacob and Cameron the Bronco for the first time. Hopefully they're not just like, wow. I think they're really going to enjoy it. I'm really excited about it. We did a lot of stuff on it. This is actually my wife's Bronco, and she's been really loving this new vehicle. And I haven't showed you guys a vehicle since I unveiled my Mustang, so it's excited to show you guys this now. All right, so I've got Jacob and Cameron here. Go ahead, guys, take the blindfolds off. Check out this new Bronco.
Look at that, man.
Oh, wow.
I told you they were just going to be really mild. Very unexcitable people here that we have. Very unexcitable people.
That's
like
nice.
it.
It's subtle, yeah. It looks good.
I mean, so you guys have customized a couple Broncos already. I mean, I think the Bronco is a pretty crazy platform.
Right.
I mean, the stuff that you guys can do with it. This is the first R-Series, I believe, you guys have put together here at the shop. So let's talk about the specs. So one, this is a 2.7 Badlands 4-door. Obviously, we waited, what, 18 months or whatever it was to get it. It is a hardtop. It has the hardtop version 2 on it, which is really nice. And, you know, the Badlands is great. It has all the right, I like the modular front bumper, I like the rock rails, but it needed a little extra. So not only did we add the R-Series kit, which we'll get into, but we customized a little bit further, right? So we painted the grille tuxedo black, which if you guys remember my Mustang, tuxedo black wheels, tuxedo black roof. We took the Badland badges off and put on the Bronco script, smoked out all the lights, including the markers and the tail lights, blacked out all the badging, and then we installed the R-Series kit, which is truly kind of gives it like a little bit of a different look overall. So you've got the Roush 17-inch wheels, which we use the stock 33-inch tires on. So now you have a little bit more aggressive stance. All the graphics, very subtle, very simple, but gives it just a little bit, you know, breaks up all that white. And then we've got the exhaust and the intake, which I think the exhaust is probably one of the best exhausts I've heard thus far on the Bronco. A lot of good feedback on that. Sounds really nice. No drone, not overbearing in the cabin. Tinted the windows, smoked those out all the way, and the windshield. You know, night driving's a little crazy now, but overall, and then we've got, you know, inside it's got the Roush floor liners, the Roush recovery kit, Roush console vault, all the Roush branding. I just think it's a really, I mean, I'm biased because it's mine, but I really do like it. I mean, what do you guys think compared to the other Broncos you guys have seen or built so far? I mean, what do you guys think are you guys more pushing towards, like, you like the bigger off-road aggression, or you like more simple, like, kind of street look like this?
Well, I'm a street look guy because I don't like off-roading.
Yeah.
It's not my personal thing. I think it looks good, man.
Yeah, I'm more of like a simplistic. I like the simplistic designs as well, and then especially like the wheels. Come from somebody that already liked the update on the Roush F-150 wheels, to see them kind of incorporate their way onto this.
Yeah.
It looks really good.
Really like the wheels. The wheels are
well.
it kind of flops from like gray to bronze depending on the lighting of the day. I really like it. And then coming soon, we've got a few more additions. We're going to be adding the Diode Dynamics ditch lights up front, and then we're going to be adding the triple fog lights, as well as we're going to be removing all the Bronco lettering and actually putting on LED versions. So at night, this thing will really have a lot of lights, a lot of power on it. So I mean, LFP killing it again, just continuing to build cool stuff. So I really appreciate you guys, and both, you know, Ryan for doing all the work he did on it, and Liberty Collision for the stripes and all the graphic work they did and the paint work they did for me. So really good stuff. Appreciate you guys obviously being my dealer of choice as usual.
What are you gonna name it? Is this White Panda V2 or?
I guess. I don't know. It's Ty's, so it's her choice. Yeah, whatever she wants to call it. But really excited how it turned out.
Josh, you gonna find a way to supercharge this thing?
Jacob, I can't talk about it. I can't talk about it.
Stay tuned for more on that.